Lesson 2, Chapter 1, HTML for Grade 8. In this second lesson, we will start directly by developing properties for specific tags, and the duration of this lesson will be for one period. The objectives of the lesson is to know how to build a website by changing, or a web page. It's better to say web page. It's not a website. Website, it's a collection of pages. So here we are working on one page only. That's why we say web page. Changing the color of the background, how to insert an image and a horizontal row or line, and setting the width and the height of an image. This is the properties or the objectives of this lesson. Also, the software needed are Notepad++ plus any web browser. And at the end of this lesson, students will know how to build a web page, by changing the color of the background, by inserting an image or a line, and of course by changing the properties of those objects. The lesson will start by a project. The project is clear. It's about 6 steps. First, open the Notepad++ and write the HTML tags to reproduce the web page as shown on the right. So we have a big title, we have a line, we have a bullets, and a picture. Then after the title, my hobbies are, is centered and its size is equal to 16 pixel. A horizontal line is drawn below the title having the following properties. Each of the 4 hobbies should be formatted as shown on the right. At the end of the page, insert a picture, set its width and height for 350 by 250, set the background color to yellow. So this is the project. As you will see, we will go through this lesson by showing the students what tags are needed. So the tag font size equals 16 pixel will set the size of the font to 16. The property p align equal center is to center the title. The HR tag is to insert a horizontal row. The HR width equal 500 pixel, size equal 7 pixel, color equal red, align equal center, is to define the properties of the line. Of course, it's possible to set the width in pixel or in percentage. The alignment can be set to left, right, or centered. The properties of a tag should be always written between quotation marks, like here. Okay, of course, we are giving a quick remark regarding the lowercase or uppercase. Then we move to the tag image or EMJSRC to insert image source. It means image source, to insert the picture. And here, pay attention, the picture should be in the same folder where the HTML page is inserted, and you have to take you have to pay attention to the extension. Sometimes it's GPJ or GPEJ or GIF, or PNG. That's why you have to look carefully to those extensions. We define, of course, the width and the height with the borders, and we are giving some details about the page. To resize pictures in Photoshop, we give here a small or a quick review about, once I open an image in Photoshop, I execute the command image size, and I define in pixel the width of the image. It should be in pixel because the website is displayed on screen and not printed. Set the appropriate width, and then you have to click on OK. Save the picture. It's ready to be used. To change the color of the background, bg color equal yellow. We add the properties bg color, and at the end we display the content of the page, or we display if you want the source code. You will ask why we did this, because simply we are here to help students start with this HTML lesson, and by giving at the end of this lesson the solution will be a hint for them to motivate them in order to do this exercise. Of course, you as teacher, you can change some properties of this page to see if they will do it good or not. And in the Dropbox, I will show you in the Dropbox, you will see I uploaded for you the all the resources you need. So here in the answer key, you go through the it's a little bit slow, the internet, but in the answer key you go through grade 9, and in grade 9 you will see the folder HTML. Inside it you will find all the picture needed and all the HTML solution in case you want to download them. So here, as you see, answer key for right click, and then you go through grade 8, and in grade 8 HTML. So you will see the pictures, you will see the exercises HTML. If you want to open them, not to rewrite them in order not to lose time. So as you see, this is a typical lesson in HTML where it starts with a project, and then after this you go through a detailed step-by-step in order to explain them how we write each tag with all the properties needed, and at the end we will propose for students the solution. We believe that this is an optimal solution for you and your students in order to go through this HTML chapter.